Good evening, my dear friends. My name is Abhishek Das, and you are watching Online Vision Academy classes. Today, we'll study Class 6 textbooks, Chapter 3, Taro's Reward. So, first of all, little briefly introduction in Assamese, then afterwards, we'll study in English. So, Taro reward means in Assamese, Taro এটা উপহার দিছে. Reward means what? উপহার. তো এটা জংগল আছিলে, জংগলৰ মাজত কি আছিলে? তাৰো আৰু তাৰৰ মা দেউতা আছিলে. সিহঁতৰ ফেমিলি বহুত গৰীব আছিলে. খাবলৈ যেনেকুৱা পইচা চইচা নাথাকে এনেকৈ খাবলৈ ভালকৈ খাব নাপায়. সিহঁতে বহুত গৰীব আছিলে, বহুত পুৱাৰ ফেমিলিৰ পৰা বিলং কৰি আছিলে. তাৰো কি কৰিছিলে, জংঘলত যায় সদায় খৰি কাটে, ঠিক আছে, কোৰাল দি খৰি কাটি পেলাই আনে, আকৌ বিক্ৰী কৰে. তো যি পইচা পায় সিহঁতে সেইটো পইচা দিয়ে চলি থাকে. তো তাৰপিছত কি হ'ল, এদিন কি হ'ল, তাৰৰ দেউতাই শ্বেক খাব মন গৈছিলে. শ্বেক মানে কি হয়, এটা এলকহলিক ড্ৰিংক বুলি কয় জাপানিজত, ঠিক আছে. জাপানিজত কি হয়, এলকহলিক ড্ৰিংক বুলি কোৱা হয়, মদৰ নিচিনা নেশাজাতীয় ড্ৰিংক হয় এইটো. তো মেইনলি তাৰো মানে কি হয়, এইটো জাপানিজ ষ্টৰি হয়. আপোনালোকে চাইছা চাগে ফেচবিলাক জাপানৰ নিচিনা, চাইনিজ টাইপৰ নিচিনা, অ'কে, জাপানিজৰ নিচিনা. চ' হোৱাট হেপেন, ওৱান ডে এদিন কি হ'ল, তাৰই জংঘলত গৈছে. তো তাৰ দেউতাই কি কৰিছে, শ্বেক খাব মন গৈছিলে, কিন্তু শ্বেকটোৰ দাম বহুত বেছি আছিলে. তো যাৰ কাৰণে তাৰই নিজকে নিজে বহুত সৰু ফিল কৰি আছিলে, সৰু ভাবি আছিলে যেন মই কিয় আজি মোৰ হাতত পইচা নাই বুলি মই শ্বেকটো দেউতাক কিনিব নোৱাৰা হৈছোঁ. তো তাৰই কি কৰিছিলে, তাৰ মা দেউতাক বহুত মৰম কৰিছিলে. তাৰ মা দেউতা যি কয় তাৰই সেইটো মানে. চ' কি কৰিছে, তাৰ দেউতাক শ্বেক আনিবলৈ যেতিয়া কৈছে, তাৰো কি কৈছে, ডাবল টাইম কাম কৰিছে. সি ৰাতিপুৱা ধৰক 7টা বজাত যদি যায়, তেতিয়া 5টা বজাত গুচি যায়, কাম চাম কৰি পেলাই আহি যায়. তো এদিন কি হ'ল, তাৰই জল্দি গৈ আছিলে কামত যোৱাৰ পিছত, কামত যেতিয়া জল্দি গৈছে, জল্দি যোৱাৰ পিছত কি হ'ল, তাৰ গাৰ পৰা পূৰা ঘাম ওলাই আছিলে. তাৰ পিয়াহ লাগিছে, পানী ক'ত পাম. তাৰপিছত সি শ্বাৰ্ট শ্বুট খুলি পেলাই ৰাখি দিলে, জংঘলত কাম কৰি আছে. তাৰপিছত যেতিয়া পিয়াহ লাগিছে, তেতিয়া আৱাজ শুনি আছিলে, ঝৰ্ণাৰ আৱাজ শুনি আছিলে, ঠিক আছে. ঝৰ্ণাৰ আৱাজ যেতিয়া পাইছে, তেতিয়া এটা ডাঙৰ পাথৰ, ৰক মানে ডাঙৰ এটা পাথৰ আছে, পাথৰৰ পিছফালে দেখিছে ঝৰ্ণা. তো সি যেতিয়া পানীটো খাই পেলাই দেখিছে এইটো শ্বেক. সি কি কৰিলে, তাৰ ওচৰত বটল আছিলে, বটলত ভৰি পেলাই ঘৰত আনি পেলাই তাৰ দেউতাক যেতিয়া খাবলৈ দিছে, তাৰ দেউতাই মানে বহুত ফূৰ্তি পাইছিলে, যেন ক'ৰ পৰা তুমি আনিলা শ্বেকটো, ঠিক আছে. তো আজিলৈকে আমি ইমানলৈকেই আজি পঢ়িম. চ' এতিয়া আমি ইংলিছতো পঢ়িম. Taro's reward. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. Okay, there was a woodcutter whose name was Taro. He stayed with his mother and father in which place, in a lonely hillside, in the top of the hillside or in the up of the hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Every day he just chopped. His duty was to chop into the forest. Chop means what? Cut into pieces. After cutting the tree, a wood has been found out, so he tried to cut that wood in a small pieces. So chop means cut into pieces. Though he worked hard, he earned very little money. As you know that they are very working, poor family are very working hard, they work very hard, but what happened, instead of working hard they get little much money, okay. So this made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. Taro was a kind of son who always obey to his parents. Whatever the parents say, he tried to fulfill the demand of the parents. So one evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow. One day, evening was there. In that evening, Taro and his father were sitting in a veranda of their house. Suddenly, a strong wind has been came out. Suddenly, a strong wind has been came out, and it whistled through the cracks of the hut, and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly, what happened? A sound has been come, and cracks of the hut has been done. A sudden explosive noise in front of the house has been done, and all are feeling very cold because after that, after the whistle and the cracks, suddenly there was raining. So for that purpose they were feeling very cold. Suddenly Taro father said, I wish I had a cup of shake. It would warm me and do my old heart good. Suddenly what happened? Taro father said that, oh Taro, can you please give me a cup of shake which will make my feel body warm and do my heart good. Because as you know that the heart of the old person were very weak, so by eating that shake it would make their heart strong. So this made Taro sadder than ever. By hearing this thing, Taro was very sad. Why sad? For the heartwarming drink was very expensive because the shake which the father wanted to drink, the shake of that price is very much expensive, very much high. Normally a poor person cannot purchase or cannot buy that shake. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. How do I get a little shake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. For fulfilling the demand, Taro started to work harder. He tried to work double time in the jungle. Next morning, Taro jumped out of his bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. In the next morning only, Taro has get up earlier and got up into the forest and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed. He going on cutting the tree until the sun has been rises. He goes on cutting the forest, goes on cutting the trees and chopping the trees, okay, until the sun has been rises. As soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. He was very much tired. He was sweating, so that he just pulled up his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. His mouth was very much dry. He was suffering full of thirsty. Now what to do? He was also sweating. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. He thought that, like me, if my father also work hard, then it will be very easy for me to purchase that shake. But his father was very old. And with that, the bee began to chop even faster. After thinking this, he again began to chop even faster, more faster. Thinking of the extra money. Only just he thinking about extra money. How much he do chop more and more, that much money the owner will provide to him. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was the sound heard? Then suddenly Taro stopped the chopping. He suddenly heard a sound. Could it would be possibly a rushing water? He thought that it would be a rushing water. The sound of water has been heard by him. Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. Though he was working many years in that forest, but till now he has not heard about the sound of the water. He was thirsty. He was very much thirsty, okay. He was very much thirsty. He wanted water to drink. The axe dropped out of his hand and he ran in the direction of the sound. Suddenly he just threw out the axe in the ground and he ran in the direction of the sound, where the sound has been coming. Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. A big rock means a big stone was there. A huge gigantic stone was there. So in the backside of the rock he saw a beautiful waterfall. He was very much surprised. Kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly, he cupped a little in his hands and put into his lips. He just kneeled down in his legs into the water, and he just placed where the water flowed quietly. He just kept his hand like this and just picked the water from in his hand and just drink it. He suddenly said, "Was it water?" He suddenly said, "It's really water?" Or was shake? Or was it was shake? He tasted it again and again. Always it was a delicious shake instead of cold water. While he was drinking again and again, he realized that it is not an water, it is an shake. Taro quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. Along with him, he had a pitcher. You can see that it is a pitcher, like a flask or bottle, okay, kind of bottle or flask. He just fulfilled that pitcher and ran in the house. Only once swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle floor. After taking the shake in the pitcher, he just gave it to his father. After swallow one liquid of the shake, he was shivering. Shivering means what? Shaking slightly of being cold. Okay, he was shaking slightly and started to dance in the middle of the floor. After drinking a shake, his father started to dance in the floor. So today up to this much we'll study. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and click the bell icon to get further notification. Thank you.